Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Sidra Institute, the series استمع وتعلم العربية. Listen and learn Arabic. Lesson 4 أدوات الاستفهام, the instruments of questioning. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We have the first instrument of questioning. Man. Man. Repeat. Man. And it means who. For example, Man anta, who are you? The next instrument of questioning is ma. Repeat. Ma. Ma. And ma means what. For example, ma hadha, what is this? Next we have madha. Repeat. Madha. Once more. Madha. And it means what. For example, ماذا درست? What did you study? One thing to note here, that the difference between ma and ماذا is ماذا generally appears before verbs. Next we have أين. أين. Repeat. أين. And it means where. For example, أين القلم? Where is the pen? Moving on, we have متى. متى. Repeat. متى. And it means when. For example, متى تسافر? When are you traveling? Next we have the word أيان. أيان. Repeat. أيان. And it means when. For example, أيان يوم القيامة? When is the day of judgment? The difference between متى and أيان is that أيان is used for major events. For example, one may say أيان العيد? When is the day of Eid? Next we have كم. كم. Repeat. كم. How many? For example, كم أخ لك? How many brothers do you have? Next we have أي. أي. Repeat. أي. And it means which. For example, أي طعام لذيذ? Which food is tasty? Next we have كيف. كيف. Repeat. كيف. And it means how. For example, كيف أنت? How are you? Next we have هل. Repeat. هل. And again هل. And it means did. For example, هل أكلت? Did you eat? Next we have أ. أ. Again أ. And it means are. For example, أأنت طالب? Are you a student? Next we have أ again. But this time, the response we're looking for is not yes or no, but it's actually an entity. So repeat, a, a, again, a, and it means is. For example, علي مسافر أم سعيد? Is Ali traveling or Sa'id? Notice here that the response is not yes or no, but in fact it's one of the two, either Ali or Sa'id. Next we have anna, anna, repeat, anna, and it means from where. For example, in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about Zakaria alayhi salam. When he was questioning his niece, he said, أَنَّى لَكِ هَذَا. Addressing Maryam alayhi salam, he said, from where do you have this? Next we have the word لِمَاذَا. لِمَاذَا. Repeat. لِمَاذَا. And it means why. For example, لِمَاذَا تَأَخَّرْتَ. Why are you late? Next we have the phrase become. Repeat after me. Become. And again, become. And this means for how much. For example, when transacting and buying, one will say become هذا. How much is this for? Alhamdulillah, we have finished the listening. Before we move on to a little test, ensure that you have been over the words and learned them to the best of your ability. And then inshallah, after the test, these words will be consolidated into your mind and enhance your Arabic vocabulary. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We have the first word of questioning, ماذا. So this inquisitive article, ماذا, what does this mean in English? So ماذا, let's reveal the answer. ماذا means what. Next, we have the English, how many. So how would we ask and start a question that starts with how many? How would we say this word in Arabic when questioning? How many? So inshallah, let's reveal the answer. The answer is kam. If you've got that right, give yourself a score. Next, we have the Arabic word this time. The article of questioning is mata. So what does this word mean in English? Mata. So this article of questioning mata means when. Next, we have the English. Try figuring out what is the Arabic. So the article of questioning we have here is where. How would we start a question in Arabic by using the word where? So inshallah, let's reveal the answer. The answer is أين. Next, we have the instrument of questioning أيان. So what does this instrument and article of questioning mean? أيان. Okay, so let's reveal the answer. أيان means when, and it is used to inquire about major events. If you've got that right, give yourself another score. Next, we have the English why. So how do we inquire about something in Arabic and we want to say why? So how do we say why in Arabic? Let's reveal the answer. Yes, it's لماذا. If you've got that right, give yourself another score. Next, we have the word أن. So what does this article of questioning mean in English? أن. So let's reveal the answer. The word أن, the article of questioning, means from where. If you've got this right, give yourself another score. Next, the English is provided, but we want to know the Arabic. So the English is who. So we want to ask a question by saying who in Arabic. So how would we say who in Arabic? The answer is man. If you've got that right, give yourself another score. Next, we have the phrase become. So the phrase is become. What does this phrase mean in English? Become means in English for how much? Next, we have the English did. So when we want to question someone and say, did you sleep? Or someone may say, did you travel? So how would we inquire in Arabic by using the article of questioning did? So let's reveal the answer. The Arabic is hal. So if you've got that right, give yourself another score. Next, we have the word ayyu, the article of questioning ayyu. So we have the Arabic, we want to know what does the English mean. And the English is which. Ayyu means which. And it is normally used as a possessive phrase. Moving on to the next one, we have the word how. So how do we question in Arabic how? For example, one wants to say, how are you? So let's see what is the answer. The answer is كيف. Next, we have the Arabic this time, and we want to know what is the English. So the Arabic is a, the article of questioning a. So when we start a question with Hamza, a, this means in English are. For instance, one says أأنت مهندس أم طبيب? Are you an engineer or a doctor? Alhamdulillah, now we have concluded the test and it's time to total up the score. So 90 to 100% is excellent, 80 to 89% is good, 70 to 79% is satisfactory, and anything below 70% is fail. Remember, fail stands for first attempt in learning. Inshallah, if you want, you can share the score in the comments below. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsanal jaza.